The parole in place decision is here. Today is November 7th, 2024, and it just came out. Here it says the agency action, meaning USCIS action, to have keeping families together, marriage parole in place, is hereby set aside and vacated. My name is John Ting. I practice immigration law in the United States to help you secure your legal status to live and work in America legally. Let's get down to it. So I know there's a lot of questions, and the first question is most likely, why? Why did they deny it? So here it is. They focus on the first section here. First argument is reasoning here that parole, quote, into the United States, end quote, that language was not in the keeping families together. So it's not in accordance to the law. So they really focus on this part with INA section 245A, quote, inspected and admitted or paroled into the United States. So this is not like people who have DACA or TPS and apply for advanced parole for the physical leaving the United States and then re-entering, even if it was like less than 24 hours later. If you recall, since I know y'all have been paying attention to this and reading it very thoroughly, keeping families together, they did not require for someone to actually leave the United States. They were trying to match it to be something similar to the military parole in place, which did not actually require someone to have left the United States. So Judge Barker was basically saying, whatever happened with military parole in place, he's not going to focus on that. He's just going to focus on this language right up here. So in law school, I remember this, they call this textual argument, where they really focused on the text of the law. In fact, you can see that on the top left corner. So textual argument, they're basically saying, what are the actual words being used in the law? And let's apply the situation, keeping families together, to the actual text of the law. So Judge Barker is basically saying, look, I wanted to help you out, but DHS was not specific enough. You probably have many questions about this. Drop it in the comment below. Let me know what you think. Share your questions. But one I can think of right now is whether DHS is actually going to file an appeal to the Fifth Circuit or not. That is something that I really need to think about. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. Keep in mind what I shared with you earlier on the top of the screen is just the first argument. The decision, denial order, essentially, the final judgment is 75 pages long. So I just want to quickly record something and share with you the news as soon as possible. I'm here at a conference, so I'll try my best to reply to your questions, probably by video.